Did the real estate market just crash? Maybe, kind of. We'll dig into the numbers and we'll see. But before we get started, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Wade. I'm a realtor in Brantford and Brant County. I've been doing this for about 10 years. I usually post a lot on Facebook and Instagram, but this year I'm making the transition to YouTube. I'm hopefully going to upload a lot of videos this year, try to provide some value. If you're moving to the Brantford area, if you need any help with Brantford real estate, please let me know. Also, like, subscribe, help me out with my channel. Hopefully I can get some subscribers and, like I said, provide some valuable information. So what we're going to look at today is the 2023 market update for Brantford and Brant County. If you're not familiar, we're about an hour away from the GTA in between London and Toronto. And we have a pretty healthy housing market here. But like all of the housing markets have kind of been through the ups and downs of the last couple of years. So let's get right into the numbers. Let's see how 2023 did and answer the question, did the housing market crash? Now, what numbers we like to look at are single family homes. In Brantford and Brant County, the vast majority of our sales, about 75%, are single family detached homes. So all the numbers we reference are based on that criteria of sales. First of all, it's the most popular type of home that we sell. So then also there's the most amount of data available as well. So that's what we look at as far as all of our pricing. When we look at the amount of home sales sold, then we do look at kind of all home types. We'll kind of dig into that in a little bit. So for 2023, we ended the year on two fronts, being the two firsts for a very long time. So it's the first time year over year since at least as far back as I can go is 2010, but quite a bit before that, that we saw prices actually decline. So hopefully I can put this chart somewhere kind of up on the screen. But in 2023, the average price was down about 10% at $760,000 from 2022 when it was $847,000. So the first column is actually 2021 when prices were $772,000. Then they went up to $847,000, and then they came back down to $760,000. So we're more in line. We've kind of erased all the gains that we saw in 2022, and we're more in line back with 2021 pricing. Again, that's the first time we've seen a year-over-year decline in prices for as long as I've seen and as long as I can go back in history through our MLS data. So that is a big deal, and that's why I titled this video kind of clickbait, is the market crashing, or did the real estate market just crash? Well, it did come down 10%, which is a pretty big decline year over year from 2022. Also a big thing this year, for the first time, and again, at least 10 years, we sold less than 2,000 homes in Brantford and Brant County at only 1,880 sales. Again, that's the first time we've sold below that threshold in a very long time. So we saw the lowest amount of sales we've had in a very long time, and we also saw prices come down for the first time in a very long time. Is the market crashing? Is it going to continue to go down? Honestly, your guess is as good as mine. Of course, the biggest factor that's played into all of this are interest rates. So I'll try to throw up another chart as well on rates. You'll see the Bank of Canada started raising rates from 0.25%, 0.25% or 25 basis points, which they lowered to try to help mitigate COVID and help the economy through that time. They started raising in March of 2022, and they raised 10 times since then, and now they've paused at 5%. Of course, most economists, everybody in the news is predicting that rates will start to come down maybe as soon as April of this year. So we'll see kind of what happens in the future, but that definitely drove our sale price down as rates went up. The other little tidbit, of course, a lot of reports are out there that we're at the worst affordability level since the 1980s, the early 1980s. So there's a lot of predictions that as rates come down, prices will go up. So those people are basically predicting that we're going to stay at the worst affordability level we've seen, or actually get worse for affordability, which I don't know if that's necessarily true. It's going to be a very interesting year. I hope to be on YouTube a lot, kind of going over what's happening in the Brantford and Brant County real estate market. Again, hopefully I can provide value, let you in on the market. My name's Wade. I'm a local realtor. I've been doing this for about 10 years. If you have any questions, please comment below. I think that's what you do in YouTube. If you've watched this whole video, I thank you. If you can subscribe and ring the bell and like it and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I'm hoping to post at least once a week, if not twice a week. And I'll try to link from my Facebook and Instagram as well. I hope everyone has an amazing day. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another video.